So this is what we have on Euro AUD. This trade took us straight to TP. Okay, with TP. Okay, let's start afresh from GJ. Okay, GJ didn't trigger after our analysis. GJ didn't trigger. We expect price to trigger this particular area and move to the downside, but it failed. USD it at stop loss in the morning as per 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Price it at stop loss and the okay Euro AUD it at take profits. We just must take profit from Euro AUD. Final TP. Euro USD stop loss has been hit on Euro USD. This was the stop loss here. We hit our stop loss on Euro USD. We're expected to sell from here after sweeping this liquidity, but to hit our stop loss from that particular pair. GBP USD, we hit our take profit. This price here hit our take profit and also give us a stop loss because we are looking on buying from here, getting to this point and selling again. So let's continue. Euro AUD price didn't trigger us. Gold, yeah, we didn't get triggered on gold. You can see it here. We didn't get triggered on gold. So US 30, we didn't also get triggered on US 30 also. AUD price didn't bother reaching our zone. This was our zone. That was okay. This is the basket and DXY. I think we smashed stop loss. Okay, DXY is the benchmark that we are using to trade other currency pair. You understand? So let's start our normal this thing. The analysis has been done. Everything has been placed. We just need to clear the old this thing and start refreshing, setting our new rules and setting our traps. That's all we just need to do. First is very easy one. First is very easy. Just follow the trap and you will get it. First is as easy as anything else. Okay, let's set a new trap. Okay. This is GJ. From what we have here, we can see a change of character to the upside, and we have so many origins. This might serve as our origin, and this will also serve as our origin. So which particular origin are we looking for, or which particular origin are we working with? Fibonacci 2, we'll be needing it here to here, or here, down here. You can all see it. Okay, so I'll be using this. We'll be using this particular other block. Okay, so we'll be working with this other block. Let's delete this. Okay, these are FVG here, and this will serve as our liquidity area. Yeah, and also here will serve as our liquidity. So okay, we can see these two double bottom. They're also liquidity. It's okay. This will be a threat for us, but let's risk it. We'll entry from here. Our stop loss should be below here. Let's leave it here, so this private market can breathe our STP here. So this is what we'll be doing now with the GJ. This is our entry here in GJ. I'll be screenshotting this and setting it to my guys. Okay, let's be going to another pair. Let's take all this out. So what are we working with? We're working with our current market, this thing. Remember, this is not how I do my analysis. So I've done everything before. Okay, it's my trade, it's my signal. I've done everything before. So I don't risk anything. Our order block, our liquidity, fair value gap. This should be our entry. Stop loss over here. And our TP should be here. Okay, this is what to be having for Euro JPY. Euro AUD. Euro AUD. What do we have again? I should be leaving all these things. I should not be deleting them. I think that is going to help. Me not deleting them is going to help also, so you guys can be following, tracking, so I can be tracking me. You understand? So Euro AUD. Let me just delete it. Let me delete this entry. Okay, new entry for this Euro AUD. New order block. New liquidity. FVG, and we are buying. We are buying. Up here. We are buying. If you check our 4 hour, as you can see, 4 hour we are bullish. We have been bearish for a very long time, but price just do what? Price break structure. You can see it. This is a break of structure. If you go down to a 1 hour time frame, you can see this break of structure here. Or this is a change of character. This one here serves. So I'm expecting price to return here and boom to the upside. This is just a day. This analysis is going to last for 1 day. After 1 day it ends. After 1 day it ends. Everything changes. GBP, Euro USD. For Euro USD, okay, we can see series of break of structures, break of structures, break of structures to the upside. Let's mark all of them. This one has already been mitigated, so it's out of the plan. New break of structure. New break of structure. Fibonacci 2. Measure. This is still inside. Measure here too. This is still inside. So we're going with this man. We're not going with this man. This is a liquidity. This is liquidity. We're going with this man. We're buying from here. Stop loss TP here. Stop loss should be just below here, not too much. Okay, this is what we have on Euro USD. Let's continue. GBP USD. Alpha. Okay, series of break of structures. This has already been mitigated. Okay, not yet. Not yet. This liquidity, are you sure this liquidity will be strong enough to hold us from here? Just to here, as small as this. Are you sure this liquidity is going to hold us? I pray this liquidity does hold also from here up to here. Then we'll be done with that. No stress. Before price should come down here, we're going to change character and change direction. Understand? Okay. These are fair value gap. Let's continue. Wait, let's measure this thing. Are we in a risky? Okay, yeah, it's a risky zone. We still have another unmitigated area here, but we're working with this one as for now. Euro JPY. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Euro JPY. What do we have here? Network issue. Euro JPY. We have this. We are still on a sell. We are still on a sell. We have this. We have liquidity has been taken, but this liquidity has been taken, creating new liquidity. So therefore, we'll be selling from here. Okay, that's how many pips? 35 pips. Okay, that is good. Our stop loss above there. Our TP should be here. 1:3. Yeah, this is what we have for our Euro JPY, not AUD. Euro JPY. What do we have for our Euro AUD? A buy. Okay. UJ, a sell. GJ, also a buy. Okay, those two are two correlated, uncorrelated pairs. Okay, you can see how clear my chart is. Let's take this out. Gold. What do you have for gold? What do you have for gold? This our gold is 50-50. We'll be selling gold from here. We'll be selling gold from here, I think. Probably just keep our liquidity, but it's much riskier, I think. Because if you measure from this swing high to this swing low, you can see it. It's much riskier to start placing the order here. So this is what's going to happen. We are working with two confirmations. Okay, our first pending order should be there, and this one should go down here. First pending order should be here. This one should go down here. Apart from that, another entry should be above. Another entry should be here, I think. There. With we're entering here. Okay. Down here. Thank you. This is our two entry for gold. These are two entries pattern for gold. US 30. This is our last pair for today. US 30. We are looking for a buy on US 30. Regardless the market trend. We'll be entering with just a little risk. Liquidity, FVG, and our entry should be here. Stop loss below here. TP should be above here. 1:what? 1:3. Regardless. So you guys already see all this, and that is all. Let's start taking in the trades. No time. Let's start setting our entries. The one of yesterday didn't trigger on GJ, so we have our new entry. I think a new entry, which is a buy limit. Our entry should be 211.342. Our stop loss will be 211.313. When our TP should be 212.219. Our good trade hits our TP. Full TP on good. Even though price remains more want to take us out. But he gave us after strip of liquidity over here, he gave us a full TP down here. Understand? So we made quite a lot of money from this trade. A lot. When I mean a lot, I mean a lot of money from this trade. We made at least times 5 of our profit of our stop loss of our risk amount. We made times 5 of it from this particular trade and setup only. Price didn't have the opportunity to tap us in from here. So on US 30, we get triggered and price gave us at least a 1 is to how many? Let's take this. Before it's now SL. 1 is to 1. We saw a 1 is to 1 before price reversing, which I will not advise anybody to close it. So this SL is good. Not that it's good, but price eating our SL. Is that SL or TP? Inside these two. One thing will surely happen. So price did eat our SL. This was a double bottom I marked out yesterday, I think. I marked that double bottom because knowing the price is going to sweep it below. Thinking that this favor look up over here and this liquidity is going to hold price and push it up again. But do not change against the overall trend. GBP, Euro JPY, it has stop loss. Clean stop loss. Straight, not even 1 is to anything. We did our best and the market decided for us. The same thing goes to GBP USD. GBP price took our stop loss again in GBP and tapped into. We didn't mark out this other block. Yes, we didn't mark it out. I think price. Let's see something. Okay. This is it here. This is it there. That's it there, guys. Price taps there. Price taps into this one. What is always is already market close. But today is Friday. That's the one that price tapped into. Okay. No problem. Euro USD. Shirts. We missed our entry. We missed our entry on Euro USD. You can see it there. We missed the entry on Euro USD. Not that we missed the entry. Price never trigger ourselves. The purpose of doing anything. Price never trigger us at all. Euro AUD, the same thing to Euro AUD. The same thing to Euro AUD. Price never tried. Look at now. Price reacted off this AVG. This should have been a clean profit, a sweet profit. Thank God for the good trade that made us recover so much. This could be a clean and sweet profit. Look at this. A sweet profit. It wants to 5. Okay. Euro JPY SL eats. So we only made one profit today from gold. And that profit was able to clear away all our stop losses. GJ, the same thing. Price
Price
didn't
didn't
tag
even
us
tag
in.
us in.
Price didn't
Price
tag
didn't
us in
tag
here
us
in
in here in
GG.
GG.
Creating
Creating
a
a
sell
sell
momentum, but I'm
momentum,
not
but I'm
sell
not sell
now.
now.
Waiting
Waiting
for, because
for,
this was
because
a
this was a
rejection.
rejection.
Waiting for
Waiting
some
for some
confirmations.
confirmations.
But I'm not
But I'm
selling
not selling
now
now
because it's
because it's
Friday.
Friday.
This is
This is
invalid, so I'm
invalid,
waiting
so
for
I'm
some
waiting for some
confirmation. So
confirmations here.
if it's not
If it's not
Friday,
Friday,
then
then
we'll
we'll
be
be
considering
considering
entering
entering
the
the
market.
market.
But because
But
it's
because it's
Friday, then
Friday, then
let's
let's
leave it like
leave
this.
it like this.
Okay, guys,
Okay,
this is
guys,
all
this
for
is all for
today.
today.
Like and
Like and
subscribe,
subscribe,
share. If you're new
share.
to
If
this
you're
video
new to
channel,
this new
please
channel,
share,
please
share,
share,
share.
share, share.
Like and
Like and
subscribe.
subscribe.
I'll be dropping
I'll be
so many
dropping so many
breakdowns of the
breakdowns of
market
the
like
market
this
like this
every
every
fucking
fucking
time.
time.